Well, Jennifer, I'm just gonna be like straight up. So all of a sudden, I've had like interviews coming back and forth, so much so that like my first interview, they offered me the job. The salary was lower than I expected, and I think they knew that. And so I finally had to negotiate for myself, and I got them to increase it by 11K. Yeah, because I knew that I was probably their strongest candidate. And then I had another position. They kept hounding me. They were like, please, please, please interview. I met with them yesterday through the recruiter call. She was like, well, this is going to take about like a week or two. And I was like, let me just be transparent. I have an offer. This is what they're giving me. And then she goes, oh, we can do more than that. And I was like, oh, okay. So she goes, can you meet tomorrow then at 11? So that was today. I met with them at 11. Really great people. And so they're going to also be reaching out to me again. And then I had another call that was scheduled for today, but I just turned them down because I was like, I really viewed because it was like kind of back to back. But yeah, we got one offer. They already sent me the papers to sign, but I'm going to see what this other company will do.
I'm sorry about like them. Oh my gosh, y'all know you're ready to cry. Hold on. I gotta let her get the offer. I gotta let her get the offer in. Hold on. Okay, so we're supposed to have another one coming. Corey, what internship are you coming out of?
I just came out of the June internship. And I'm not going to lie, y'all. I was so scared I was going to be in the market forever. But it's like once it starts, it just keeps rolling. I don't know what it is. People are like, half the time, because my resume is so stacked, and once I do my tell me about yourself, they're like, well, I kind of don't have any more questions to ask you. So then they just ask me scenario questions. And I'm like, oh, okay. So really everything that they taught us, like, no, like seriously, everything you guys have taught me, I have been able to like over answer questions. So sometimes I'll answer a question and they're like, well, that covers the next question I was going to. They're both direct hire. And honestly, they've been super transparent with me. They're like, the workload's going to be a lot, but since it's a background I'm familiar with, I was like, I don't want to overdo it. So I was like, I'm just going to commit to one because the salary is more than I was expecting. So that's good.
So would it be a salary increase for you?
Yes, by like 30 plus. Yeah.
Okay, y'all, we're going to let her get her offer signed and get the background check. So congratulations to this student. She went from 50K to 86K. We are so excited for you. Let's congratulate her on this Sunday morning.